Hello friends, welcome to BSP Solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi and today's session we are going to perform multiple condition approvals in Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management procurement application. So under the purchase requisition approvals, we are going to define rule 1 and rule 2. Under the rule 1, if the BU is US1 business unit with the end operator and the requisition amount is same or less than 1000, so according to this rule it should be approved automatically by the system, right? Auto approval. And under the rule 2, if the BU is US1 business unit and operator with the end operator and the requisition amount is greater than 1000, so according to this rule it should be approved by the approval group, right? So right now we don't have any approval group. So first of all, we are going to create approval group. And after that, we are going to we define rule 1 and rule 2 under the purchase requisition approval, right? So let's move on to the application. So first of all, we will see how to create the approval group. So click on this navigator, click on this setup and maintenance. And click on this task list, click on manage implementation project, search for the project. So this is our project, click on that. And we have manage approval group. So search for that and go with the procurement, right? So this is our manage approval group and the manage requisition approval. So first of all, we will create the approval group. When we click on that, it redirect to the BPM. So under the BPM work list, we are going to create one approval group. So ensure that we on the approval groups, click on this create and let's define data A1 approval group, right? So this is our approval group name and we have to add member. So first we have to create one member over here. So click on that. Let's go to one new tab and click on this navigator. Go to the tools and go to security console and create one user, implementation user. Go to the user and search, click on this add user account because we are going to create new one. Click on the last name and the name is Tata A1, right? So this is the username and let's username is Tata underscore A1, right? Let's enter the password. Right. So click on save and close. Let's search for the Tata. The user gets created. Let's go to our BPM section. Click on add member. Search for our user. Tata and search. So this is Tata underscore A1. Click on that, click OK. Right. So this is our member. Click OK. So this is our approval group. Click on save. Successfully saved. Click on that and let's search our Tata. So this is our Tata group, right? Now let's go to our, this is our groups created. Now let's click on this manage requisition approval. We are going to define our rules under the requisition approval, right? So first of all, we have to enable the rules under we are going to create it. So header stages, header consensus, parallel consensus, click on that. First of all, enable it. And after enabling it, it's enabled, click on edit rules. Now we are going to create new one. Click on this create option. Let's enter the name of this rule. So we are going to define rule 1. So this is rule 1, right? So BU and requisition amount same or less than 1000, right? You can copy it and you can description over here. Click OK. Right. So select this rule and click on add condition. So this is approval task attribute. So first we define the business unit. So our attribute is requisitioning, requisitioning requisitioning BU requisition header, right? So value is business unit 1, US 1 business unit. Click OK. Now this is our first condition. Select this, click on this add condition, click on below in order to add one more condition for the above rule. So this is our requisition requisition amount because we are going to define the amount over here. So requisition amount, requisition header. The operator is less than or equals to, right? Less than or equal to, not same, it's less than or equal to, right? Let's enter the amount and OK. Right, this is our rule 1 and this is AND operator. If you want to change this AND operator, so select this and click on this edit icon over here. So you can change AND or operator, right? Cancel it. And based on this condition, we are going to define actions. So click on this AND action, click on add action. So the action type is automatic when the requisition amount is less than 1000, less than or equal to, right? Okay. So this is our rule 1. In the same way, we are going to define the rule 2. So click on this create and we are defining the rule 2, which is this US 1 business unit and the requisition amount is greater than 1000. So BU and requisition amount greater than 1000, right? Okay. Now, based on this rule, we are going to define the condition. So click on this rule carefully and then click on this add condition. And this is our attribute. So first of all, we define the BU. So requisitioning BU, requisition header, and US1 business unit, right? Click OK. So this is our condition 1. Click on this add condition below over here. And again is requisition amount, because we are going to define the amount. And the operator is greater than 1000, right? Greater than. And the amount is 1000. Click OK. Now, based on this condition, we have to define the action. Click on add action. And the approval required, because the automatic in our first rule, and the second rule is approved required. So approval required, we have to define the approval group, because the route using the approval group. So click on this Tata, let's search it, Tata. Yes, Tata A1 approval group, which we created earlier, right? Click on OK. So this is our first rule and this is our second rule. Under the first rule, we define the BU and the requisition amount is less than 1000, and under the second rule, BU and the requisition amount greater than 1000. Click on save and close. And this rule we have to deploy, otherwise the rules are not applied, right? Let's deploy. Done. Now let's create the requisition. Click on this navigator, click on this procurement, click on this purchase requisition. So click on this more tasks, click on enter requisition line, right? Now we have to select the item over here. So this is our item and the price is 200. So we have to define the item quantity so that the amount should not be more than 1000. So the amount is 800, less than 1000, right? And the destination is inventory, right? So click on add to cart. Add it to the cart. Click on this line 1. If you want to review this requisition, you can review it by click on this review button. There you can click on submit. So click on this submit, right? This is our requisition number. Click OK. Click on this manage requisition and search for this requisition. Search it, right? So this is our requisition. The status is pending approval. So under the rule 1, the approval approved by the approval request approved by the system. So click on this search, click on this search button. Again, search and the search. It acts as a refresh button, right? So it take a few minutes to approve this. Wait for a while, click on search. search, approved. You can see the status gets approved by the system automatically, right? Now done. Now let's create one more requisition based on the rule 2. Right. Let's select the item, select it, and the quantity is, let's 6. Destination is inventory, more than 1000, right? Greater than 1000. Click on add to cart, right? Now click on this line 1. Click on submit. So this is our requisition number. Click on that, copy it, and click on manage requisition. Search for the requisition. So status is pending approval. Click on this search. Click on search. Search and search. You can see it's not get approved because the request is goes to the Tata underscore A1 user, because this is the approval group. The user defined in the approval group, and under the rule 2, the requisition approved by the approval group, right? So copy it and go to the another browser and let's open it. So this is our implementation user approval group. Sign in. So click on this notification and you can see this is 204139. You can see the 204139 over here, right? Let's go and click on approve. So it's get approved by the Tata user. Let's go, and this is pending approval. Click on search. Click on search. It's approved. You can see, and one notification, the requisition approved, right? Done. So this is rule 1 and rule 2, right? So based on the rule 1 and rule 2, you can perform the multiple condition for the rules, approval rules, right? In the same way, you can define the rules in the purchase order. You can define the business unit, you can define the and operator or operator, and the multiple condition. You can define the multiple condition. So in the same in the purchase requisition and the same in the purchase order, right? So thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.